Okay, you guys, so I'll be turning this hoodie into a side out hoodie vest. I'm going to add some grommets and some stretchy string or stretchy cord and really make it super cute.
Hello beautiful people, thank you so much for joining. It's Darnell and I'm here with some DIY upcycle projects, so stay tuned.
I purchased this hoodie last winter and I just fell in love with all the colors. But at the same time, I knew when I purchased it that I would be upcycling it to fit me a little differently. Initially, I was going to cut it and wear it as a cropped hoodie, but I'm not really feeling that idea anymore. I like this new idea a lot better. And I saw it on Blueprint DIY. Angelina is so talented and so amazing. And I fell in love with it. So I'm so happy that she shared how to make it. And I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to turn this one into a side out hoodie vest as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. The sleeves are really big. And I'm thinking about turning the sleeves into a little purse. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But for now, we're gonna work on making this into a side out vest. Can I admit that I'm scared to cut it? I'm scared, but I'm gonna do it. Being scared doesn't do anything for me, right? I don't get what I want and it just gives anxiety. So I'm just going to have faith, have some confidence, and get started. Isn't this cute, you guys? Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Look at this. Now, I'm not going to lie and say that this was super easy because it wasn't. Only because I'm not super experienced with operating grommets. I'm more experienced now after this project, but there were little things that I ran into, little issues. And what I would say is if you're working with grommets, try to make your hole where you want to put the grommet as small as humanly possible and make sure that you use that back piece to the grommet correctly. I wasn't doing it right. So I learned the hard way, but I was able to overcome that and get this vest done. I'm so happy that I did it. It looks so nice, right? And then of course I have the option to actually like tie it a little bit tighter, but I like having it where it's not really tied tight and it just looks like loose and very carefree and casual. I have to fix the strings. I have to fix the string on this one because it's not crisscrossed correctly, but that's okay. Either way, it's still hot, and I definitely encourage you to try this to a hoodie that you have. It was a fun project, and I'm really happy about it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you how I'm turning my really oversized scarf into a poncho. So I've already tried it on and already pinned it where I want it. But before I go any further, I just really wanted to capture this on camera and I'll show you where I pinned it and why. I have these clips here. And that's just to give me an idea of where I want the end of the folded collar to be. And this just made it lay. Having the collar turned down the way that it is just makes it fit a lot better and feel a lot nicer around my neck. I also have a clip at the very top, this clear clip here, just to remind me as to where the exact middle is. And that spot will be right behind my head, like right at the nape of my neck. Also, I purchased this toggle button from Hobby Lobby and I have it pinned here and I'll just hand stitch that onto the scarf. Then I have these pins here and those are just to help kind of give it like a bat wing look and to just close it in a little bit at the bottom so that if the wind blows, it doesn't just blow the poncho up and open, which would defeat the whole purpose. The point of this is to keep us nice and warm and feeling toasty. I also want to wear this over like a denim jacket. So I wanted the opening for the arms to be nice and big and comfy. So yeah, now I'll try it on and show you guys what it looks like on.
Thank you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.